Most UK side hustles pay less than minimum wage when you actually account for your time. The ones shared on social media, selling handmade products or doing surveys, sound appealing until you calculate the real hourly rate. You realise you are earning £3 or £4 an hour for considerable effort. I am cutting through the noise. I have ranked 7 UK side hustles by real hourly rate, what you can actually expect to earn per hour in 2026. No inflated promises, no best-case scenarios, just honest numbers ranked from lowest to highest paying. Stay until the end, because the #1 side hustle is one almost nobody is talking about, with the highest income ceiling. Welcome back to Wealth AI, where UK personal finance meets AI tools to help you build real wealth. Subscribe now. Every week, we cover practical strategies that actually work for people living and working in the UK right now. Let us get straight into the 7 UK side hustles ranked by real hourly rate in 2026. Number 1, food delivery. Real hourly rate, approximately £8 to £12 per hour. That is after fuel, vehicle wear, and platform fees. It is accessible, but the work is physically demanding. There is no leverage, no passive element, and no income ceiling beyond your physical capacity. It starts our list. Number 2, reselling. Real hourly rate, £8 to £15 per hour, depending on what you sell. Buying cheaply at car boots and selling at a profit is a genuine stream, but finding stock and packing takes time. The hourly rate is modest, unless you develop a strong system and a reliable source of undervalued stock. If you have subject knowledge in any area that students need help with, maths, English, science, music, languages, tutoring is one of the most straightforward, high hourly rate side hustles available in the UK. If you have subject knowledge in maths, English, or music, platforms like Tutorful connect you with students directly. You set your rate and trade expertise for money. A-level and GCSE maths tutors are in constant high demand. Number 4, copywriting. Real hourly rate, £20 to £70 per hour. Highly scalable. Businesses need written content constantly. Blog posts, email sequences, and social media copy. With AI tools like Jasper doing the drafting, one writer can produce the volume that previously required 3. Social media managers handle content creation, scheduling, engagement, and strategy for business clients, typically on a monthly retainer. Social media managers handle strategy for monthly retainers. One person can comfortably manage 4 to 6 clients. This creates a substantial monthly income from approximately 5 hours of actual work per week per client. Number 6, AI video production. Real hourly rate, £40 to £120 per hour. A freelance AI video producer can create a professional, polished explainer or marketing video in 2 to 3 hours and charge £300 to £800 for it. The producer earns an extraordinary hourly rate using tools that are accessible to anyone right now. Number 7, content channels. Real hourly rate, technically unlimited, our highest income ceiling. This is the only side hustle not directly tied to hours. Your content generates income while you sleep. Finance and AI niche channels benefit from some of the highest advertising rates on YouTube, alongside significant affiliate income. It compounds. The best side hustle matches your skills, your time, and your goals. It is the one you will actually start. Hit the like button and subscribe. Next week, we cover free AI tools that perform like paid ones. I am Wealth AI, and this is just the beginning. Drop a comment below. Which one are you starting?